Breaking news coming in now. Prime Minister Modi has tweeted that he got a call from Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan, calling him. He expressed condolences on the loss of lives in various parts of India due to the earthquake. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi also tweeted that Nawaz Sharif appreciated India's efforts in the rescue operations in Nepal. He thanked him for his kind words. Sneha is with us on the phone for more on this. Now, Sneha, Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeting, talking about the fact that he had received a phone call from Nawaz Sharif. And other than talking about the Nepal tragedy, we understand that there are other issues that the two discussed as well.
Well, yes, absolutely. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi acknowledging the fact that the Pakistan Prime Minister has extended his condolence as far as the deaths in India due to the earthquake is concerned. And obviously, this has to be seen as a joint effort in the SAARC countries, of which both of these countries are a part of. Prime Minister has also, sources indicate, that expressed a desire to work together in the forum of the SAARC to ensure that, the situation that has arisen because of the earthquake in Nepal, things can be managed in a more better fashion. So we do see a sense of cooperation that perhaps countries want to extend to each other as far as the SAARC forum is concerned. And here, and of course, Prime Minister Narendra Modi acknowledging the fact that Prime Minister Sharif has extended his condolences and, of course, tweeting about it, acknowledging the same.
Well, Sneha, at a time when the relations between the two countries are very, very edgy, extremely tense, this is an important development. And like you said, Prime Minister Modi not just thanking Nawaz Sharif for his words, but also talking about the fact that SAARC nations should come together and actually plan, disaster management together is a pretty big step.
This is a big step. Given the fact that many experts in SAARC have indicated that this is the way forward, SAARC countries must plan something, because this is a region which is susceptible. It is the Himalayan region which not only affects Nepal, it's affected India also. And the fact that the Prime Minister has expressed desire in working together in the forum, in the SAARC forum, goes on to show that perhaps cooperation of other countries is expected. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi talking about the fact that Prime Minister Sharif has extended his condolences, of course, expressing the desire for all of the countries to work together in this direction to minimize the damage that the kind of damage that Nepal and, of course, India has seen in this crisis.